Hello mga kabibig! Welcome back sa ating bagong YouTube channel. Nako mga kabibig, grabe! Almost 27 billion ang nailabas na pera para sa DSWD AKA program pero walang guidelines. Paano ito nailabas? Grabe mga kabibig, ginisa ng Senado itong tinatawag na magical project. Imagine, walang kaplano-plano, walang guidelines, pero may pera na. Imagine. Kwenestyon ito ng mga senador sa gitna ng pagdinig kaugnay sa umano'y suhulan sa People's Initiative na anilay magical project na ayuda sa kapos ng kita program or AKAP ng DSWD. Tapos, kwenestyon nyo ang 125 million confidential funds ni VP Sara Duterte na kung saan makikita natin sa kanilang website, OVP website na doon, makikita mo kung paano ginasta. Pero itong walang kaplano-plano na programa ng DSWD, agad-agad may pera. Mga kabibig, manood tayo sa video ha, para wag kang masyak. Ganito na ngayon ang panahon, nakakalula, shock na ganito pala ang nangyari sa gobyerno natin. O, ito ha, manood tayo. O, ito na. Higit 26 billion AKA program ng DSWD. Kwenestyon ng Senado. Makinig tayo mga kabibig ha. Okay, ito na.
Parang baliktad naman yata yung buhay natin. Ngayon mag-iimbento ng dahilan, magdi-design ng project, pupunteriya yung mga beneficiary. Pero in the meantime, linagyan muna ng bilyon-bilyon. Yan na ba talaga ang patakaran ng DSWD? Gusto ko lang humirit. Nagulat din ako sa AKAP. At mas lalo akong nagulat sa halaga. 26.7 billion.
Wow, 26.7 billion. So, roughly 27 billion na yan. Nakakagulat talaga, mga kabibig. Ito na.
Isang programa na ngayon ko lang natuklasan at
Ala?
ngayon lang narinig, pero may bilin dito sa text, all soft projects including AKAP must go through the office of the speaker. AKAP, AIX, TUPAD, MAIP for the PI and other efforts.
Hala? So lahat ng mga programa ito, dadaan sa lamesa, sa office ng ating speaker? Naku! Kalarky naman ito, mga bagong news na ito. Ay, let's proceed ha.
Yes,
Chair.
Senator JB,
Ako rin
please.
medyo naging curious sa AKAP ngayon ko lang narinig eh. No? Siguro can ask the SWD, what is this program about? Is it just between the House and kasi wala ho kami sa Senate na alam niyan eh. So is it with the SWD and the House of Representatives yung program?
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, AKAP is just as foreign to us technically as Senator Bato.
Foreign. It's bago lang. Bago lang ang programang ito. Nako, may guidelines ba?
As it is provided
Yes,
in
Yusek
line
Di Mapuro,
item.
I
Yes, ma'am.
understand that it's under the DSWD budget. If you recall, in the Senate, I handle the DSWD budget, but like the COMELEC's mysterious addition of 12 billion, this 26.7 billion in the budget of the DSWD is alien to me.
Yes.
Madam Chair, if this WD declares that is foreign to them, saan ang galing ang budget? Baligtad na pala ang budgeting process natin. Ang Kongreso na mag-decide kung anong implement ninyo. Hindi pala kayo nag-request sa Congress na project na popunuhan, program na.
Totoo ang sinabi ni Senator Bato. So it means hindi na ang DSWD ang magbibigyan ng programa, kundi ang Kongreso na. Sila na ang magkokontrol kung ano ang programang ibibigay para sa DSWD. Diba? Ito na
Popunuhan? Baligtad eh. Parang
Madam
Baliktad
Chair,
talaga.
it's not an exclusive project or program for Congress. It will be regular program, but it is technically foreign in the sense that it has no guidelines yet.
Yes, Yusek
So
Di
it does not
Mapuro, did you
exist as
request
a
for this
program.
project? Was it in the NAP? It was not.
No.
There we go. Yes. Do we allot sums of money, enormous sums of money such as this, almost 27 billion for a project or a program that is undefined, unnamed, unfamiliar, with no guidelines whatsoever, with no target beneficiaries, and is just left open? Is this the usual practice in the DSWD?
Not necessarily a usual practice
Not
in the
necessarily.
DSWD.
So sometimes DSWD has these magical projects that no one
Hala ka. Grabe mga kabibig, no? Ngayon lang ako na-shock talaga. Walang guidelines, hindi alam kung para saan ang mga beneficiaries nito. Tapos, parang easy lang nila yung pera ng taong bayan. Ako, dugot pawis, nagbabayad tayo ng tax, tapos ganituhin lang nila na walang klarong programa. Naku, buti na lang talaga ginisa sila ni Senator Amy Marcos.
has ever heard of before.
We don't create magical projects, Madam Chair. These are
But
part
when
of
is
the
it
GAA.
necessary? You said not necessarily. So there are times when it is necessary to invent projects?
There are times when there are necessary projects to
Yes, you have QRF and you have all kinds of emergency
Yes.
assistance. I'm very familiar. Why do you have to invent ACAP?
Correct.
ACAP is not invented.
Oh,
I
But you
believe
just said that guidelines and the purposes had not been established.
yes, guidelines have to go through proper policy procedures. So
Pero
it's not
linagyan na ng
invented out
pera,
of the
walang
air.
nakakaintindi kung paano gagawin, kung
Totoo.
kanino ibibigay. Walang kaplano-plano pero may pera na.
Madam Chair,
walang kaplano-plano ha, pero may pera na nilabas. Ay naku, ganun pa. Ganun makabulok ang... My goodness.
there are programs that are provided by the GAA for NGAs to implement. But before we
Yes,
do
with all
implement,
due
we have
respect,
to.
USEC, that is not the usual budget process we're familiar with. There's always a very well-defined project or program before a line item magically appears in the GAA. It's fought over, debated, and discussed very, very thoroughly in the subcommittees as well as the plenary. This wasn't.
Hala ka.
Madam
Ano yung
Chair,
explain yan?
we are currently creating the guidelines,
Ah.
and we would be happy to share with.
Parang baliktad naman yata yung buhay natin. Ngayon mag-iimbento ng dahilan, magdi-design ng project, pupunteriya yung mga beneficiary. Pero in the meantime, linagyan muna ng bilyon.
Correct.
bilyon.
Correct.
Yan na ba talaga ang patakaran ng DSWD?
Madam Chair, for programs that are intended for poor, vulnerable, and disadvantaged, we welcome, obviously, more programs, and we would be grateful to be able to implement these other programs.
I'm familiar with your mandate, but nothing in your mandate indicates that you should be inventing projects and that you are exempt from usual budgetary study and procedure. I'm sorry.
Ang da.
Madam Chair, kaya siguro
Palpal?
nagkaganon dahil hindi talaga sa kanila yung programa na yan.
Gagawa lang sila ngayon.
Oo, hindi talaga sa kanila. With due respect,
Ang pinupunto ni Senator Amy Marcos dito, bakit ngayon na kayo gagawa ng programa? In fact, meron na kayong budget na labas. Totoo ang punto ni Senator Amy Marcos. Parang ginagago na tayo. 'Di ba? Pera ng taong bayan, pinalabas muna bago ang proyekto. 'Di ba dapat proyekto muna, guidelines muna, debatihan ang proyektong ito, tapos pag-approve, labas pera. Pero ngayon, labas pera, mag-iisip pa kung anong proyekto at sino pang beneficiaries. So parang pinaglalaroan lang ang tayo, mga pobreng Pinoy. Yung okay lang tayo bigyan ng 500, 100, 200, 1,000. Pero hindi natin alam na para saan to? AKAP lang daw, AKAP. What's for? Ayuda? Goodness.
in fairness to Yusek Di Vaporo, bago nga yan sa kanya. Sabi nga niya, foreign eh. Hindi niya alam. So, huwag ka mag-alala. We are not faulting you for that. Kaya we are just investigating dahil the usual mangyari is meron ng bahay yung pondo, like AX. Kung sisingit man yung meron mang intervention dyan during the BICAM, lower house at saka upper house, the most that they can do is siguro dagdagan yung amount ng
Totoo.
AX na yan. Pero may
I
bahay na
agree.
yan. Pero yung gagawa ng bagong bahay dyan during the BICAM, I don't know how feasible is that.
Correct.
Kaya nga sabi ng aming chairman, it's very magical.
Magical talaga.
Kayo mismo, this WD, hindi nyo alam na, uy, boom, may
Ay,
akap pala na ganito kalaki. ng
Ito, may
halaga.
nabasa lang ako bigla. O, naalala ko
Malala
lang
ka,
bigla.
halaka. Ito na.
Sabi ni Yusek Mapuro, hindi kita inaaway wag mo ipagtanggol yung AKAP pag hindi mo alam. Kasi lahat kami hindi alam.
Totoo.
Kahit sinasabi ng DSWD, wala silang alam tungkol sa guidelines, foreign itong project, at linagay lang dyan, nasa press release na yung AKAP will provide 5,000 cash payment to 12 million poor households.
Oh.
Are you aware of that?
Yeah, I've read those press releases,
But isn't this a
Madam
mere
Chair.
duplication of so many programs already initiated by previous administrations, the 4Ps and then the
Oo nga.
AH, the never-ending ayuda, SAP 1, SAP 2, walang katapusan to. So this is hardly a guideline. Pero ang liwanag na, nangako na, 5,000
Wow.
sa
Madam Chair,
12 million households. Baka hindi mo alam.
Madam Chair, I cannot confirm
Ano
whether
na?
those are the numbers that are decided on, as we don't have any guidelines yet.
Yeah.
Lumabas kung handog
na.
ko lumabas sa PNA December 27.
Well, for our Christmas programs, or we don't have AKAP in or any of our Christmas programs, I can say that definitively. But with regard to any pronouncements of how AKAP will be implemented and what amounts will be provided through AKAP, we don't have guidelines for that yet.
Hala.
Sige, Yusek, ganito na
Hala.
lang, magtulungan na lang tayo. Alamin natin ang mga detalye nitong programang to, pareho-pareho kami ni Senator Bato, ni Senator GB, Senator Risa. Nagugulat po kami kung saan to galing at ano ibig sabihin.
Yes po, Madam Chair. And I'd also like to say that we are very open to many innovations and new programs in DSWD. And it is a new thing where we create something new.
Madam Chair, just to add,
Okay lang yan, okay lang.
I'm not gonna fight with you over that, but that's completely inaccurate and untrue.
Correct.
Okay,
Inaccurate.
Senator Bato,
Eh,
please.
Pagkuha ko lang kay Yusek na walang problema. Wala kang problema ito sa amin. Huwag ka mag-alala. Ang
Huwag
amin
kang
lang talaga
mag-alala.
is nagulat lang kami sa Senado. O AKAP. Hindi namin nakita yan sa kahit na ilang araw mo pag-aralan yung NEP, kahit ilang araw mo pag-aralan yung GAB. Hanggang sa kwan, hindi mo talaga makita yan. Nagulat na lang kami ngayon na may ganyan pala. Ikaw nga, nagulat ka eh. Sa inyong departamento yan. Okay lang, pareho tayong nagulat ngayon.
Happy
Huwag kang
surprise,
mag-alala.
Senator
Ha?
Bato, Madam Chair. A happy surprise because it will help the disadvantaged
Yeah.
at the end of the day.
Okay. Yon na, kabibig. Nakita nyo na ha. Grabe talaga. Ito si Senator Amy Marcos. Talagang question niya. Diba? Natural. Dapat questionin yan. Pera ng taong bayan yan. So ano ang iyong komento tungkol dito? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Gusto kong malaman. Kasi baka meron kayo diyang naka-receive na ng AKAP galing sa DSWD. Wala pang ang guidelines dyan. Diba? So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye everyone. See you next time.